Hey, it's Dad again with a new recipe for you. Today, we're going to be making sopa aguada, Fideo style alphabet soup. And these are the ingredients. Fideo style alphabet soup, garlic, onion, celery, chicken bouillon, olive oil, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, lemon pepper, and the secret ingredient, cheese grater. So I'll give you a chance now to go out there and get all those ingredients. We're gonna go ahead and boil some water, about 4 quarts of water. While the water is boiling, we're gonna go ahead and grate some of this celery. And the garlics we're just going to squash. And just take the skin off. While we're waiting for the water to boil, on about medium-high. Then we're gonna add the olive oil. Not too hot, just warm it up. In about a minute, and I'm gonna add the fideo. What we're doing is toasting the pasta. Now you wanna go ahead and add the veggies. Seems like the water is boiling now, so we're gonna add very carefully, we're gonna add the boiling water to the fideo. Always pour the water away from you. Next, I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of chicken bouillon. Now I'm gonna lower the heat to low. And I'm gonna cover it for 15 minutes. Okay, welcome back. It's been about 15 minutes. We're gonna add a little bit of garlic powder, some onion powder, a little bit of salt, and some lemon pepper, just a little bit. We're gonna let that cook uncovered for about another 15 minutes. Okay, welcome back. It's been about 15 minutes uncovered, and I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off and then cover it. Keep it covered for a few minutes. And there you have it. Fideo style alphabet soup, sopa aguada.